Each offer can have segmentation filters and fraud rules linked to control that traffic sent has the corresponding conditions. We can set filters by country, region, operating system, devices, days of the week, display hours, time zone, and connection type. For example, we can have the following segmentation: Spain, Catalonia, Madrid, and Andalusia, only mobile devices with the Android operating system, and they offer available from Friday to Sunday between 11 o'clock and 17:50. It is also possible to establish fraud rules for clicks and in-app events. On the one hand, we can set the number of clicks per IP on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. On the other hand, we can set parameters to validate, for example, conditions that must be fulfilled for the traffic to be considered good quality, or parameters to block, for example, if they are met, the traffic will be marked as fraud. Additionally, in case we want, SKUDO allows us to set a maximum number of events that each provider can carry out for each of the different offers on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis.